Perimeter patrols look secure on paper, but in reality, many tasks are skipped, poorly done, or not done at all. Missed patrols lead to theft, breaches, fires, damage, injuries, even lawsuits. One blind spot can cost you everything. Perimeter and patrolling guards have a job to do: regular checks, immediate reporting, secure entries. But human fatigue, distraction, and negligence break the chain. Manual systems bring no real-time data. Paper logs are unreliable. Multiple guards mean high costs, low accountability, and limited coverage. BootsRad reinvents perimeter security using AI, drones, ML, and robotics, delivering automated, intelligent, 24/7 protection. Smart drones patrol perimeters. AI cameras detect unusual activity. Robotic towers watch critical zones, all integrated into one real-time system. When suspicious activity is detected, you get instant alerts, full visual feed, and remote control. Respond fast. Respond smart. No breaks, no bias, no excuses. Our platform ensures automated patrols with anomaly detection via machine learning, zero human fatigue, and fully logged events. BootsRad replaces multiple guards, cutting costs by 50%, tripling coverage, and removing human error. Upgrade to AI-powered drones and robotics for 24/7 smart protection.